Pakistan is a notorious place when it comes to lawlessness and human rights violations. But Pakistani blasphemy laws and blasphemy phobia bring an extreme dimension to this madness. Allegations of blasphemy result in lynchings, mob killings, burnings, and other unimaginable horrors. For almost a decade, Asia Noreen, famously known as Asia Bibi, was the poster girl for blasphemy in Pakistan. She was sentenced to death by a lower court in 2010 but received acquittal from Supreme Court of Pakistan in 2018. There were widespread protests and agitation all over the country against her acquittal. Because of showing support and sympathy for her, late governor of Punjab Salman Taseer was assassinated in 2011 by one of his own security guards. Today, an English literature lecturer of Bahauddin Zakariya University, Multan, has been sentenced to death on allegations of blasphemy. Junaid is alleged of sharing blasphemous content on social media. According to legal experts, the evidence against Junaid is insufficient to convict him. But blasphemy cases invite pressure on judges and the legal system in Pakistan from right-wing factions. Islamic right-wing forces affect the courts and lawyers. There are open and secret threats warning judges to convict the alleged. Even lawyers are threatened to leave the cases. Junaid's lawyer, Rashid Rahman, was threatened to leave the case, but he stood his ground and was shot dead in his chambers on 7th of May 2014. It has become totally impossible to have a fair trial for blasphemy in the lower courts, and the decisions are always against the alleged even if there is no evidence for conviction. Because of this pressure, trials become lengthy as appeals have to go through higher courts and require more time. It took 9 years for Asia Bibi to get an acquittal from Pakistani court. During this period, she was in solitary confinement, and so is Junaid Hafiz. Such a long period in solitary confinement has a lot of physical and mental repercussions, as at her release, Asia Bibi had become a mental patient. On the other hand, blasphemy alleged are not provided with the same facilities in jail as other inmates. It is impossible for blasphemy victims to get a bail, so long years are spent behind bars in every scenario. Then there is a constant fear of getting mainstream attention, because as a case gets mainstream attention, it acts as a double-edged sword. And more fanatical and extremist groups try to affect the judges and lawyers, which can further delay the case. In Junaid's case, for almost 6 years, the case did not even start because no judge was willing to put their safety on stake, and judges kept resigning from the case. Today, Junaid was appearing hopeful for an acquittal, but he was convicted. He almost collapsed when he heard the verdict against him. He is a shell of his former self, in poor health and seems to be in poor mental condition. To some, he is another Asia Bibi in the making, who will take many more years to get an acquittal from the higher courts. We demand that Pakistani government and judiciary should take action to get Junaid through the legal justice system quickly and make sure that another Asia Bibi is not made. After all, justice delayed is justice denied.